Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to create an e-commerce website in 2025. In this video, we'll explore the latest trends and tools for online selling. First, you need to choose a suitable platform. Popular options include Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce, each with unique features. Next, consider your website's design. A user-friendly interface is crucial. You can select pre-built themes or create a custom design. Integrating payment gateways is essential for smooth transactions. PayPal, Stripe, and Square are some popular choices. Don't forget about mobile optimization. Ensure your site works seamlessly on smartphones and tablets. Setting up inventory management tools can help you keep track of stock levels and fulfill orders efficiently. Social media integration is key to driving traffic. Share your products on platforms like Instagram and Facebook. Implement SEO strategies to improve your site's visibility on search engines and attract more visitors. Consider adding features like customer reviews and testimonials to build trust and enhance user experience. Finally, regularly analyze your website's performance using analytics tools to make data-driven improvements. Thank you for watching our guide on making an e-commerce website in 2025. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips.